Buy Utah auto insurance. If you are a car owner in the state of Utah, then you're already aware that you need auto insurance coverage in order to legally drive your vehicle. Don't agree to any policy or premium until you've read this guide on how to buy Utah auto insurance first. Step 1. Make sure you get a good price for auto insurance. When you need to buy auto insurance, it's important to look around for the best price on coverage. This is because the premiums offered to you by different insurance companies in the state of Utah will vary greatly. Call around to get a few quotes before you decide on any one policy or premium. This way, you'll know you're getting the best possible coverage for your money. If you've got a favorite insurance company, contact them first for a quote on auto insurance. But also consider talking to national auto insurance companies like Allstate and State Farm. They also offer auto insurance coverage to drivers in Utah. http://www.allstate.com http://www.statefarm.com On average, a Utah driver will pay around $700 a year for auto insurance coverage. Step 2. Understand minimum state coverage requirements. In Utah, every driver is required to carry minimum amounts of liability coverage. To comply, you must have at least $25,000 for personal bodily injury or death, $65,000 for total bodily injury or death, and $15,000 for property damage coverage. As well, you need a minimum of $3,000 for personal injury protection, PIP. As a driver in Utah, you should also know that Utah follows a no-fault insurance system. This means that regardless of who is at fault after an accident, each insurance company covers its own driver. Still, it is suggested that you carry coverage that exceeds the minimum state liability requirements. If you are in a serious accident, an auto insurance policy with only minimum liability coverage may not fully cover all of your bills, medical, auto repair, loss of wages, and so on. It's better to have too much coverage than to have too little and be stuck with a huge bill after a wreck. Step 3. Exclusions are allowed. In Utah, it is perfectly legal to exclude drivers from your auto insurance policy, even if those drivers are high risk. Of course, the names of those excluded family members will be specifically listed in the exclusions section of your insurance policy, which also states all the reasons why your insurance company will not be held responsible for such drivers. When you think about the possibility of having to pay for an accident of an excluded driver out of your own pocket, you'll quickly realize that it's just smarter to insure everyone in your household. Step 4. Understand how the process works. Once you apply for auto insurance coverage in the state of Utah, each insurance company will take a few things into consideration before coming back with a quote for you. They will look at your personal credit history, in part, to see whether you'll be any type of insurance risk. But they must also consider your age, gender, location, vehicle, driving habits, and driving history. With all of this information, auto insurance companies in Utah will provide you with a quote for coverage on your vehicle.